going to make Latvian honey cake, and we have a real Latvian who doesn't know how to make the cake. He's going to help us. This is Giannis. Okay.
What are our credentials, you might ask? 1 cake a year for 9 years.
Here's the recipe that we're going to make today. This is a double recipe.
Here's the basic recipe that you can multiply as many times as you need.
So, into this pan we need to break 4 eggs. Add the butter into there.
Then add 375 grams or nearly 2 cups of sugar. Now you need to cook it over a medium heat until the butter and the sugar and the eggs are all blended. Put 5 tablespoons of runny honey into a small saucepan and then add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Cook this over a medium heat until it turns brown and puffy, stirring all the time with a metal spoon. Now combine the honey and soda mixture with the butter, eggs and sugar mixture.
And now comes the tricky bit, which takes a lot of time and effort. So according to the recipe it says we need 400 to 500 grams of flour, but what we are going to do is we're not going to weigh it out or anything. We're going to just chuck it in and we're going to use Giannis's arm power muscles to mix it in. That's too runny. Okay. Still too runny.
It's too runny.
There we go. We have
about right.
a soft dropping consistency. We take our cake pan and get some butter and smear it all around the bottom and the side. Just gently sprinkle this with flour.
Now is the really tricky part. You need a metal spoon and a cup of oil to keep dunking it in. Spread the batter in a thin layer over the bottom of the pan. So I'll show you Esther and Giannis's first attempt at this. As you can see, it really is not easy. But don't give up, don't despair. When I first started making these cakes, I had exactly the same trouble. And as you can see, with a little teamwork, they got there in the end, and that is perfectly good enough.
Bake it in the oven on about 180 Celsius to 200, I guess about 370 Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes, and then we have to cook the next layer.
Show me. Let's put it in the oven.
We're going to make the filling while the cake is cooking. Just put in sour cream and then you mix in sugar to taste.
Layers are still hot, you need to slice them in half, and it's easiest to do this with an electric knife if you have one. Now it's time to sandwich together all your layers of cake with the sour cream and sugar filling. Use lots and lots of it and let it all trickle down over the sides. The more the better, so it'll be really lovely and juicy. Now you need to use either foil or what we call in the UK cling film or saran wrap or something, and really make sure that you cover the cake completely nice and tightly so that no air can get into it. And now we are just trimming off the sides to make it all look a little bit neater. And now we are crushing up the leftover cake slice to make cake crumbs for decoration. And mixing up some more sour cream and sugar to put a nice fresh layer on top of the cake. And spread it all on. And then sprinkle the crumbs all over the cake.